Good morning, good morning. It's St. Patty's Day and we're looking at some nice green. All right, I need to go live. Too much typing already. We are in this gold trade. One contract was green as $2,100 a few seconds ago. Hi, Justin. How are you? Happy St. Patty's Day. All right. Getting fully set up here.
Target filled.
Good morning. So yeah, we're in this. This is the only trade I'm in right now, and it had already locked up 210 overnight, so it seems like maybe two shorts here, and then the long beforehand. I took a bunch of the extra stuff away on my chart because, hi David. I wonder if oil is still in that short. I didn't have oil running.
Order submitted.
Oil is in a short. Oil's green $500 on the day so far. Not on Scalper. It's on Zones, which is a new algorithm that I am testing. Hopefully it will be out by May. But Scalper's been killing it. But the Scalper, I'll show you. Scalper on oil. I literally just merged those two names together. Was green $1,520. So I don't know where this ended up. I can ask Dana. He posted it, but yeah, so really big moves on commodities this morning. Oil and gold at the same time.
Order filled.
I need to turn that volume down. Sorry. So oil got filled. That was a stop loss on oil. It's still green 370 on the morning. So that does. Oh, I need to update range in the results. So NQ's been 100% this week on range. ES was green every day except for Wednesday, and same with YM. It's been green every day except for Wednesday. So hopefully we get some more green today. We're still green $1,850 on the week with just bold range. I cut out oil. I put it in timeout since like last week. it just hasn't been producing as much, and the oil on scalper has been doing really well. I think it's because of the increased volatility. So anyways, please give a thumbs up. There's 23 of you in here and only 4 thumbs up. I would appreciate it. I'm going to get on TikTok now. I want to see what this looks like. All right. So let's get on the TikTok. I have to remember this 1 p.m. thing. Oh, and I'm going to be out today, so we'll have to see. If you guys want more information, if you're new here, I go live every day, 9:30 to 10:30, showing you my auto trading algorithm. So if you want more info on that, just email me. But I'm sure most of you are not new here, so welcome back. All right, good morning. So this is the only trade we're in right now. Gold, it looks like it's going to close soon. See how it's flagging to the downside with that yellow arrow? That yellow arrow is saying that a short is coming or it's going to close the long, essentially. We've been in this long since 6:30 a.m., right? 7 a.m. Unless it got in here. Actually, it might have gotten in sooner. It might have gotten in here at 4:30 a.m. I just don't have the lines drawn. When the line gets drawn, it will... Uh-oh. Hold on. Give me 1 second. I have to get off this for a second.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Sorry, I had to take that call about allergies. And that's fine. Nope. So this is gold. It just locked up the trade, $1,840. So I'll show you the real-time results here. I took off, I can put those things back on where it got in and out. So it has taken 4 trades so far today, 75%. It had 1 red trade for $90. Again, this was gold on the futures market. It's green, $1,840 on the day. So I told you how it was just flagging for the short, which means it's going to close the long, which it did. So $1,840 off of 4 trades overnight. The biggest winner was the one that just locked up for $1,630. Yeah, so nice little move from gold. This long, this $1,600 long was green, $2,100 at the high up here. So that's also something to kind of pay attention to, but welcome. All right, so we're not in any other trades right now. What I did here was I took these off because, so I made the text bigger yesterday because I was trying to see the price when I had it like off screen, but then I felt like it looked so big here. But this was the entry. It was actually at 7 a.m. It took profit here before for a small profit, and then it got back in the long for that large move up. So good morning. Happy St. Patty's Day. It's Friday, March 17th. One of my niece's birthday. Let's see. David, you can also ask me that in the group, but no, I put them on the back burner. I said that last night in the group, in the chat, I believe it was, in the chat thread. So, yes. They're just not as good as I want them to be, so I'm going to table them for now. Oil is green for 70 so far this morning. Looks like this. Again, this is zones. I wonder how many trades it's taken. Let's see. And again, I'm just testing. See, but I don't know why it says real time and the data is totally off. Oh, you know what it probably did? Is it might have that expected. Yeah, that's virtual. There's like 8,000 of virtual. Like that's such a mess. So it's taken 50 trades. And if you remove this, so yeah, it's green $500. Has small wins and small losses, so which is nice for people that get scared about a lot of stuff that's otherwise. Let me move you guys in here. Good morning, good morning. All right, let me shut this door because it's cold. Oh, and the market just opened, so we can start looking at NQ a little more. Oh, you know what I didn't do? I need to set up Santa. Shoot. All right, let me set up Santa really quickly while you guys watch this oil trade. But I have another minute because it doesn't start right away. YM Santa. Shoot. Because last night I was really tired. I went to the doctor yesterday about my foot, my broken ankle, and then I had a student session last night, and then I tried to just relax and like prop my foot up, and then I was like, oh, I'll set up the scalpers in the morning. Obviously I set up gold last night because it runs at night, but Santa doesn't run until the morning, so it's okay for me to wait. I just forgot just now that I didn't have it set up. All right, now I have Santa and YM Santa set up, so they are good. And then obviously we have gold, we have oil, and then all the ranges. Sure, Campbell, what's your rookie question? Good morning, good morning. If you're new here, I go live every day from 9:30 to 10:30 showing you my auto trading algorithm. Yeah, it's Friday. We're excited. Happy St. Patty's Day. I wonder where I want to know, Dana, where did the oil short end up? Let's see. So this was the gold trade. It's green, $1,840 on the morning. It's taken 4 trades. One was red for $90, and then the rest were very green. This one long right here was as green as 2,000.
Order canceled.
2,100. All right, oil took a loss there. It's still green, 250 on the day. Again, it's being tested, so I'm just running it at all hours, and then we'll try to narrow it down from there. No. So the way that Apex works, again, the Apex sale ends on Tuesday. Is Carter or Jen not around? Let me see, 1 second. So the way that Apex works is you pay the fee until you pass the evaluation, Campbell. So you pass, nice. You pass the evaluation, oil locked in $940 on that short. Cool, Dana. Yes, this is automated bot trading, correct. We were in this long for $1,600. It was as high as $2,100, but it left up 16. So you pay the $36, that's the monthly fee. But you only pay that, Campbell, until you pass the evaluation. So if evaluation takes you a month and a half, then you're going to pay that monthly fee twice. The Apex Trader funding trailing drawdown is crazy. It's actually not that bad, Kincaid. $50,000 account for $36 right now is a $2,500 drawdown. And then when you pass the evaluation, you get a funded account. That funded account, there's a one-time payment for like 10 years for the market data and it's like $150 and that's it. And then you don't pay anything else to them. The $50,000 account has a $2,500 drawdown. It's actually pretty doable, especially with the algorithm. Oh, hi, Jen. Can you post a thing so I can pin it, please? That would be great. Thanks for sharing. And they're doing a 80% off sale through Tuesday. So it's going to end on Tuesday. So you want to just be aware of that. No trades on Santa or YM Santa yet. We'll see what comes with those. Oil's green on the night, but not by a bunch. It was like 500 a few minutes ago. Now it's like 250. But yeah, so they're doing a sale through Tuesday. I feel like I've talked about it so much. The code is SAVE80. Yes, you can use the bot futures. I would Google what futures are. I also have a YouTube video. If you go to my YouTube, bold bot, 2 words, I have a video that's called What Are Futures Contracts? Yes, exactly, Campbell. Agreed. I love Apex, and you can have up to 20 accounts. So I know folks that will buy like 5 or 10 accounts and just trade one at a time, but then they have those other ones that they got for $36 at that 80% sale. Yep, sounds good, Vishal. Yes. I'm not sure what the question is about NASDAQ. Yes, I trade NASDAQ all the time. That's what Santa's on, but it's not in a trade yet. Oil just took the offset there. The focus this morning was on gold and oil because they had 2 huge trades. Nothing's really been happening with the NASDAQ. It's kind of in a tight. 1949. It probably does, Skylar, but I've never tested it, and it's not something that I'm interested in. So, Vishal, you need to email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. I'm going to pin that, Jen. Thanks. I can only pin one thing at a time, so. Yeah, so Harley, you can just go to my YouTube, Bold Bot, and then under like my popular videos, there's one from 2020 called What Are Futures Contracts? I'll show you. So if you go Bold Bot, and then you click on me, and then like right here, there's videos. There's like popular or something, I think, somewhere. Anyway, videos. Yeah, popular. I don't know if you guys see this, but popular. And then right here, there's a lot of explanation videos, but this one is the one about what are futures. It's a 27-minute video. What are futures contracts from 2 years ago? What are futures contracts? So check that out. It will explain everything. But the big focus this morning was oil and gold because they had big moves. The bot is $500 for the first 3 weeks and then $1,000 every month after that. Sounds good, Harley. So the bot, depending on which product you're speaking of or which algorithm, because there's different bots, NQ on range, which is the one with the blue boxes, like I'll show you like this. This one is 95.5% over the last 15 months. And then ES, same thing like this, is 84% over the last 15 months.
Order submitted.
We're popping up a little bit here. Very nice. See if we can continue that long move from yesterday on the NASDAQ. Yeah, there's no PDT rule. You can trade as much as you want. You can start with as little as like $400. So there's really not much leverage because if you have a small... Oh, wait, we're in a trade. Hold on. We're in a trade. We're in a long of Santa. I didn't even know.
Order submitted.
$380 here on this long. Give me 1 second. I will respond. $570 on this long in Santa. Again, this is called Santa because we found it before Christmas, like in October, November, and it's been printing ever since. Where's LaRome?
Order submitted.
This is NinjaTrader. You have to use NinjaTrader unless you're doing a funded program like Apex. NinjaTrader is going to be your broker. Oh, Carter. We got everybody now. Yep, so NinjaTrader's the broker. YM is also flagging here, so we'll see if that takes a trade. Again, so this is the trailing stop on Scalper, and this is the hard stop. So again, obviously your return on investment, well, typically I say that monthly I make 40 to 45% each month. So if you want to use that math, obviously you would then just apply that to your account size and figure that out. I just spoke about the accuracy. It's 84% to 95.5% on range. This is Scalper. Scalper is a little more like 55 to 60% because it takes a lot more trades. Like we can see that oil, but the risk to reward is so much bigger. So much smaller. Like the risk is so much smaller on Scalper. So again, this is Scalper on gold. This took 4 trades so far today, and it's 75%. But you wouldn't care that it's 75% because it had this one trade that was $1,700 with one contract. So it cost me $2,000 to get one gold position. Gold is more expensive. This cost me, I have to have $1,000 in my account to take this. Again, this was also explained in the video on YouTube that I just referred you to. There's no leverage per se. There's leverage when it comes to, so you can see Santa took profit there and now it's in a short. The leverage is already given to you based on the broker. So the cost of a future, again, this cost me $1,000, but the real price of one contract of the NASDAQ, like on TD Ameritrade, is $20,000, or the real price in actual real life is probably more like $100,000. But futures brokers will give you a discounted price. That's the leverage. That's the margin. Like you don't need to. You still only put up $1,000 for this trade, if that makes sense. The futures portion is only that it expires at some point. That's what the futures part means. I think you're a little confused about the futures part. Again, if you want more info, please check out my YouTube. I go live every single day from 9:30 to 10:30. I am live streaming right now on YouTube. Oh, true. And I have all of my live streams in my whatever folder data. So Santa's green 75, and then it's in the $600 short. YM has not taken any trades yet. Does this work on all forex pairs? Again, this is not forex, but it does. Forex is essentially the same as futures. They're just handled a little differently. So everything that I trade on the futures market, you could also trade on the forex market. So I trade the NASDAQ, I trade the S&P 500, I trade oil, I trade gold, I trade natural gas, platinum, silver, the Dow, the Russell. I don't trade currency pairs, but everything else I trade, but it's just simply on the futures market. This is the NASDAQ on the futures market. So yes, it can also trade stocks. I was going to run my stocks today and I forgot. It could probably do crypto, but I don't have the data for that, so that's why I don't talk about those things. Like, I don't have the data for currency pairs, so I don't talk about currency pairs. No, it does not work with MetaTrader 5. It has to be on NinjaTrader. NinjaTrader is the only one it works on. All right, so it took profit there. So now on the day, and now it's in another long. Santa is green, $245 off of 2 trades. Remember, gold was the big winner today. That is this, where it had a $1,600 long, which went as high as $2,100. I do not trade Forex. Guys. I only trade futures. I'm not sure why that's not coming across. How's oil doing on zones? Oil's still green. $130. Gold is green, $1,840 on the day. Also, oil on Scalper had a What was it, Dana? $940 short earlier. Oh, I have the hiccups. So the link is in my bio, or you could just email me, but the discounted link I have to email to you. I don't have it on my website. If you go to my website, you're going to be paying full price. So Derek Anders, so funny. I saw like a TikTok last night about Anders. Did you guys see that like doctor's appointment thing? Anyway, so it's boltbotllc@gmail.com. Just email me. Please tap that screen if you appreciate the content, the information that I'm giving. Please give a thumbs up if you're on YouTube. I go live every day to show you guys how this works. Will's now red, $20 on the day. Again, this is Santa. YM hasn't taken any trades yet. Good morning, good morning. Thanks for the likes. Thanks for the likes. Just tap, 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 tap. That's all. We are back in the chop zone. This is a proprietary zone that I give my students every day. They love it. Why do I have 2 levels here? This is weird. I'll have to fix that later. Again, if you want more information, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Thank you, Jen. Is it not pinning? When I pin it, does it not stay pinned? 18 seconds, 17 seconds. Oh, it's like counting down. Can I want to pin it for like the whole time. Is there a way to do that? We're in a short now on Santa. Thanks for the follow. Again, I go live every day from 9:30 to 10:30. It's 9:47 on Friday, St. Patty's Day. Copper is in a $500 short. Justin just sent this over. He's running copper. It got short at 3.9120. And it's green $500 right now, guaranteed green on this trade. All right, Santa got stopped there on that short. The commodities are really pulling through. The indices today are kind of like blah. The commodities are like, hey, it's our turn to shine. It's only allowing a pin for like 13 seconds. I'm going to have to try to fix that. When I pin it again, Carter, I'm going to try to see if there's an option for a longer time frame. Like, I want it to be pinned the entire live stream. Like, what? See, we're getting choppy here. We're also in the middle of the chop zone, so I'm going to keep that in mind. All right. Hey, did you say make 40% a day on average? Nope, I said per month. If I do pin this comment, then there's no option after that. It must be like in my settings. What is YM doing? YM is not flagging for anything. Gold is hanging around 1950. Nice. Justin just made 2,000. Also, George passed his funded account last night. He got this email from Apex. Your performance account is active. He's so excited. Dana made more than $1,000 this morning by 9 a.m. Justin is running MNQ on Santa. So look, he just made $261 on micros. I start every day at 9:30. And I stream from 9:30 to 10:30.
Order submitted.
Yes. Please give a thumbs up or tap the screen if you appreciate the content.
Cancelled.
It is appreciated. Oh, Eastern Standard Time. Everything I talk about is always going to be Eastern Time. Eastern is best. Don't come for me in the comments. Amber's posting her little beer and her 4-leaf clover. Yeah, sure thing. So yesterday we were 100% on range, and NQ was 1 for 1, ES was 1 for 1, and YM was 1 for 1. The only day this week so far that was red was Wednesday for about $500. NQ was still green, but ES was red and YM was red. How do I start? No idea where to learn. I don't know. That's always like a confusing question. Like, are you serious about learning? If you are, then you should get my mentorship. If you're not serious and you're just kind of playing around on the internet, then you could just go to YouTube and watch a bunch of stuff for free. You know, like, I don't know. And if you're serious about an auto trading algorithm, then just email me for more information.
Order submitted.
All right, we're in a long of Santa.
Order canceled.
Sure thing. I'm going to pin that. I'm going to have to go in my settings after this. I wonder if, like, I pin something of myself, if it would stay longer. I don't think so. It's 9:51. I have a student session today at 11, so I'm definitely going to be getting off right at 10:30. I got to prepare for my student session at 11, and then I have to head out. So I'll be out and about. So in the group, if you guys need me, just, hit me up on Slack. I will be checking. Nice. Nice job, Dan. Dan made $270 using the information we had on our student call this morning. So I have a private student call that I hold every morning from 8:45 to 9:15. And Dan was able to use that information to make $270. I think that people don't realize how big of a contribution, like $100 or $200 a day, could really make at the end. People only think about in that moment, and they're like, oh, $100 isn't a lot. But $100, if you can consistently, on average, make $100 a day, that's an extra $2,000 per month. That's like most people's mortgage and car note. So it's a pretty big deal. It is a pretty big deal. So he just made $270 off of, he said, 30 seconds of work. So 30 seconds is pretty quick. Yeah, for sure. Carter knows. He's the one I posted on my... Where did it go? It went from 36 to 52. It even went higher. It went to 64. All right. Are we in anything? No, we're not in anything right now. Hi, Roland. How are you? Happy St. Patty's Day.
Order submitted.
There's a report in 5 minutes. Thanks, Justin. Michigan sentiment report always has volatility. I don't even know what that is, though. Like, what? What? I go, like, is it just about the state of Michigan? What's even happening? Look at that, right to... Do you see that pullback, though? Do you see that daily level? Beautiful. Beautiful. Levels are life. Nobody needs an indicator if you just learn how to draw levels. Indicators are shit. Levels are life. We're not in any trades here on this move up. Where's YM? YM's doing nothing. Hi, welcome, hi, hello, hello there. So again, if you're interested in Apex, that sale ends on Tuesday, just as a heads up. Sometimes I think people just like to get yelled at from me, and they do things. I'm not sure, Derek, I'm not sure why people keep asking about leverage. There's no leverage. There is leverage already built in to futures brokers. I'm not on margin, like, I don't really know why this question keeps coming up. Leverage. If you go watch the futures video that I posted before, you will understand how futures work. There's a discounted price, but that's for everyone. It's not like you don't have to apply for it. It's just automatically given. If you appreciate the stream, please tap the screen. Again, Derek, I told you to send an email, get more information, or go to my YouTube and watch that video, that 30-minute video. That will help. Sounds good. Sounds good, Jen. Let's see what happens here at 10 o'clock for this report. 45 seconds. Maybe that's why the indices haven't done anything yet. They're just waiting for this report to come out. Common. 24 seconds. All right, the report came out. I really want gold to pull back. It's just a personal preference. Oh, look, another level. What a surprise.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
Don't worry about what I'm writing in Slack. If you were in Slack, you would know what I'm writing. I'm also typing to people on YouTube. That's on the other screen. See? See those people over there?
Target filled.
85 words per minute. It isn't really a thing. We're not in any trades right now. Dang report. I need gold to turn around. Can we just go back to 50, 40, that area? That would be great. Now I know, David. But I do like to talk about it. Hey, my members just got this run. Because if you're a student of mine, it's easy to get these moves. Because we talk about it at 9:15 in the morning, or 8:45 to 9:15 in the morning. I'd love to see the market continue running here. Our ultimate target is up here somewhere. Just keep going up the NASDAQ. And then gold can pull back. Carter says the mentorship calls makes his day so easy. It's true. It's true. Whoa, pink is in a $1,000 long, but I don't freaking have it on. I'm going to need to, pink caught this long on the algorithm. Do you guys see this? One of the members just sent it to me. Guaranteed green, $1,100 long on pink. Brian, post that in the chat. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Yeah, and that's what I said like 2 weeks ago. I'm like, scalpers are going to come into play. Scalpers are going to come into play. Gold made $2,000 today. Gold, let's talk about gold this week. So Monday it was red and Tuesday it was red, $600. Yesterday it was red, $1,000. Gold alone is green, $5,500 this week. Oh, and I need to update this because it's actually 1840. So on today. It made $3,500 on Wednesday, $2,000 on Monday, and $2,000 today. It's $5,800 on the week. Gold. One mini contract. Like, come on. Y'all. Easy math. Easy math. And then oil had a $950 short that it locked up today. I haven't been tracking oil this week, but I know it's been huge because Irma's been running it. And she's been telling me.
Order submitted.
Order submitted. All right, where are we at? What did we run up to? 810? Does NinjaTrader have a simulation mode? Yes, you can do that. So when you first join, we actually suggest that you use simulation for the first day or two just to get acclimated with how everything works and blah, blah, blah. Is Santa in this trade? Santa's in a short. Excelente. Yes, very much. I'm feeling kind of funny today. I don't know why. All right, I gotta put this back. Put this back. If you guys have any questions, please put them in chat. Dana. False. Oh, no, not false, Dana. That was 100% you. I wonder when I put that up there. Was that like 2 months ago? But it's really been playing out lately. Because before that, it really wasn't. No, Dana. I for sure give you your props on that. Especially on that specific one. You know what I mean? You are the GOAT. Go NQ, because then oil comes down. Then gold comes down, and that's great. The seal zones are kind of just hanging out. I've taken a lot of trades, though. Where is my QA? Santa's in a short. I'm going to pull that over here. Green, $65. For first-time viewer, hanging out trying to understand the tricks to the trades and take notes. So there's no tricks. My auto trading algorithm trades for me. Or you could take my mentorship and learn how to technically read the charts as I teach, and then you can trade manually. But this is all 100% automated. Like, it got me in this short. I didn't even know I was in this trade. So if you want more information on the auto trading robot, you can email me boldbotllc@gmail.com. So, and this is my trail stop. This is my hard stop. It will move this into the green once this trade goes positive $200. Like, it's all being done for me. I'm over here talking to the people in my group about whatever the topic is. Do you see how it moved? It moved itself. So now it's a guaranteed green trade. Yes, I created the bot. I have like 10 bots and I created all of them. This is, the hard stop has now moved itself. So it's guaranteed green. If it comes back and hits this pink line, then it will be a positive $75 trade. But if it keeps moving and this trail, see how this trail is following it down, then it will be a bigger trade. So now it's green, $400. And it will just keep going until it pulls back. There's no target, so if it comes back and hits this trail, it will get stopped or the break-even offset. You could also take this and move it down. Oh, not like that. You could take this purple line and move it down. Obviously, you can't go in front of the price. It has to still be behind the price. But, yeah. I only trade futures. If you don't know what futures are, go to my YouTube and watch a video called What Are Futures? My YouTube is BoldBot, 2 words. Always, Pepe, always. $380 here on this short on the NASDAQ. BoldBot. Oh, YM is also in a short, green, $95. So that's NQ. This is the Dow. We could watch both of them. Oh, now I covered NQ. Hold on. NQ is green 400. The Dow is green 90.
Order filled.
So they're both in this short. We'll see what happens here. What time is it? 10:11. Can you guys see this? I did like an angle one time. It was kind of cool. Like this. Does the bot work for various time frame intervals? Yes. It works on a whole bunch of different time frames, a whole bunch of different charts. So yes, correct. Would this work on any stock or like QQQ? Yes, it works on QQQ. I have a member that solely focuses my algorithm on QQQ. So I know the answer is yes. Randy does that all the time. But I also trade it, like, I've traded it before on Etsy, on MMM, on the SPY. Like, you can trade it essentially on anything. Anything that has a chart, you can trade it on, as long as you can link it through NinjaTrader. Again, it has to be on NinjaTrader. That's the biggest thing. You have to be on NinjaTrader. Yeah, gold is green $2,000 on the day. It's not in a trade right now. I'm not sure why random people come into my chat and they just say gold. That's literally all they say. Gold. Gold. Like, what does that even mean? Can you say please first? Like, they literally just want to see the gold chart. Gold has already made $2,000 on the day. Tap that screen. Show some love. Guaranteed green on YM now too. YM is currently $200 in the green. This is NQ. It's green, $600. This is the NASDAQ. Again, I don't trade forex, so I don't call it NAS because this is not forex. This is futures. It is called NQ. This is NQ. YM just took profit. YM is the Dow. Dropping more here. Let's see if this level will hold on NQ, which is the NASDAQ on the futures market. Tap that screen. Send some likes because y'all are getting me fired up on a Friday. I'm trying to focus this a little better. I feel like if I angle it down, it could also just be the background. All right, YM took profit. It's done there. The NASDAQ is the only one in this trade. $620 on this short. This is not an indicator. It's a fully automated algorithm that I have created. It went right there, too. Nice. Does the YouTube share any of the logic? No, I would never share any of the logic. That makes absolutely no sense. Listen, why would I share proprietary information on my free YouTube? Absolutely not. I just sent an email. Curious. I can... Again, I do not have settings for crypto. People that are here looking to trade crypto, it's probably not going to be your thing. I focus on futures. Futures is my focus. Can you apply it to probably anything? Yeah, you probably could. But am I going to have settings to give you as a new member who joins the group and says, hey, I want to trade your algo on crypto? No, I'm not going to have settings for you. So you're going to literally have to start at zero and try to figure it out on your own, which is probably not ideal. How it work? Oh my gosh. The attention that we're getting on TikTok today is not the best. Why is everyone... You guys, no crypto. Crypto sucks ass. Stop asking about crypto. Futures are life. There's no PDT rules. It's legal. Like, it's legitimate. Oh, this isn't in the center. Hold on. Crypto is not the way to go. At least not here in my channel. There's a tax benefit on trading futures. Chris said, I love gold. Right. Mind blown. Would love to see a bounce here at this 53 level. It seems like we're going to get it. So if you knew that, if you were in my mentorship and you knew that this 53 is a strong level, you might take your stop loss and move it closer to the trade here to lock up as much as possible. Does that make sense? But this is the trail stop, so it will take it anyway. Futures are illegal in America. They're absolutely not illegal in America. They're not illegal anywhere. That makes absolutely no sense. Let's just mute you because you have no idea what you're talking about. Skeeter, I'm not going to help you with your personal trading through a TikTok live stream. If you want to learn how to use the NinjaTrader platform and how to manually trade, you need to take my mentorship. This is not a charity for teaching people how to trade. This is a live stream showing you my auto trading algorithm. I feel like I have to kind of be stern and bitchy today because people are testing me. All right, so took profit there on Santa. I muted him. That makes absolutely no sense. Literally, the biggest brokers in America allow you to trade them. Yeah, sure, TD Ameritrade would allow you to do something illegal. Like they would never. Oh, we are in. This isn't a short that hit target. What time is it? Oh, it's 10. Jen, we got to start focusing on that again. I also need to keep an eye on gold. Santa banana. Santa took a win there for $75. Oh, what's YM at? YM's green, just 75. It's 10:18. Again, I only go live till 10:30. The 10 a.m. stuff, the zones. Remember how we were kind of talking about that yesterday? Thanks, Carter. I'm going to pin that. I'm not sure why it's like a 18 second. Like, what a random number. 18 seconds. What? Why is that a thing? Where did LaRon go? All right, I'm going to wrap this up soon. Because, are we back to the chop zone? Because I have to get ready for my student call at 11. I might see if he's available a few minutes early, actually, because then I have to leave the house. Also, I need to get dressed. So if he's not available early, then I'm just going to get dressed before my call. Let's see. All right, I'm going to wrap this up. I hope you guys had a good day. Again, the totals for this morning, oil's green 110. Again, I didn't run the other oil. That was like $9.50. Gold is green $1,840. YM is green $75. And NQ Santa is green $300. So I'll be back on Monday at 9:30 a.m. Hope to see you guys then. Please follow and tap the screen if you don't already follow so you can be notified when I go live. Okay, bye. Bye, YouTube.